Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G71, and today I'll show you how you can record your screen on this phone. So anyway, to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel, find the toggle, which looks to not be enabled by default. So let's press on the pencil right here and find it somewhere. The toggle's right over here. Oh, there we go. So it's right over here. Once you find it, you want to grab it, and then actually no, it is enabled. Oh, there it is. I'm just blind. Okay, so once you find it, I can tap on it to start recording, and it gives you a little bit of a overlay countdown and then starts recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Once you're done with it, you can click on the square and it will save it. And in addition, you can also, I believe, hold it on the toggle, and this will take you to the settings. Now the settings right here are fairly limited, to be honest. As you can see, we have viewfinder size. A viewfinder is just a front-facing camera, and this is just going to be the size of a recording of the front-facing camera. So it creates exact size on the screen like you can see right now. So which one you pick is the one that will be visible on the screen. Now, as you can see, by default we already have one picked, but you do also have to enable viewfinder. Once you start recording, you hit that overlay and there was a button for it. Additionally, we have a resolution, which luckily here is set by default to 1080p, so that's good. I don't recommend changing that. And we have a recording time limit. We have unlimited, which again I don't recommend changing. And then we have a file size limit. This, I guess it's circumstantial. If you really need your video to be under a specific size limit, then you can set one up here. I don't really mind having unlimited, but as an example, you might be running out of storage, so you might want to keep it on a reasonable size, so you can choose one here. And the last thing we have is record touch points. So what this does is when you record your video and you touch the display, wherever your finger was touching the screen, it will create on the recording a semi-transparent dot just to mimic where your finger was pressing. So anyway, those are all the settings that you can go through, which will then be in effect when you're recording. And going back to the recording that I have already captured, we can find that recording in our photos. And as you can see, there it is. It's already playing, so I'm just gonna let it run through. It's a fairly short one, so there we go, it's already finished. So anyway, there's our recording. That is how you virtually record your screen on this device. And additionally, I will mention that you can record majority of the applications that you have installed, though there are limitations. As an example, if you use Netflix on your phone, don't bother trying to record that. Netflix already thought about it and basically does a system-wide like video recording blocking of some sorts, where all you will get whilst trying to record it is a black screen. I don't think they can literally restrict you from being able to record, so they basically, I guess, create some kind of overlay so the video recording comes out to be fully black, though it still records sound. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.